Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can create a sprint in Jira. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow up all the steps properly, and let's get started. So first of all, open a browser of your choice and search for Jira. After that, log in or sign up on the website, and once you are done logging in, you will see an interface like this. You just have to simply go over to backlog section by clicking on backlogs in the left side menu. Here, all of your active completed sprints will be available. It is a place where you can create a sprint or complete it. To start a sprint, click on Start Sprint option at the right side of the page. Note that there are some issues present in the sprint, otherwise your sprint will be empty. After that, the sprint dialog box will appear. Type in the name of your sprint and its duration. And then when you're done with all of the columns, click on Start and your sprint is started. You can change the status of the issue by simply clicking and then dragging them onto the preferred column. You can see that if I drag an issue into completed tab, it gets crossed in the backlog. To complete a sprint, simply click on Complete Sprint button on the right side. It will then ask you for the new position of the incomplete issue, and here you are done. And that's how you can create a sprint in Jira. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.